Being able to provide backup and justification for data in a template can be extremely valuable. With the comments and attachments features, users can add notes and attach files to cells for reference. Simply click an intersection point in the template. From the toolbar, click Comments, click the plus button, click Add Comment, type a cell comment, and click Add. Click the Attach File button, select the file to be attached to the cell, click Open, and then click Upload. In the Details area of the comments, we can see the cell reference, P31, the comment we just added, we anticipate needing to be on site in Chicago, and a link to the attachment. Simply click the link to review the attachment. These are the trip and price details for the flight. Thanks for watching this tutorial on comments and attachments.